Guys, asikho safe Orlando East. We're not safe in our own township. Asikho safe eKaslethu. Guys, akwazi. That can't happen ukuthi singabe safe eKaslethu. Why so? Ibamakhansela kumnyama ekasi. Thina in this line of work that we're doing. Sibuya late. Sibuya ngaboma 8, 9, 10. Basibuya sibuye emasetini so act. Yes, ubuya manje kumnyama ekasi, ma street light are not working. Nenzani into eniyaziyo kudla imali le nama slay queen ama influencer ababonukuzani bosenbuji. Phela bosenbuji phela ama brands abawuthola ama brands because baveza imizimba yabo. Ngabantu they are always undressed. Abazwani ukugqoka. They are allergic to wearing. Abazwani ukugqoka. They don't get along with dressing. Hayi ngeke asikho safe like us. Asikho safe. Lahlamlenze nayo ayinambani akulight. But this lahlamlenze is the same kasi le kwafika abantu bafika badubula abantu ePethaven lapha. Yabona asikho safe eOrlando. And Orlando is the same kasi la badubula khona la mama lo Oli Tavern lapha a few years ago. Just imagine same kasi le ngenama light manje. What are the councillors, what are the municipality doing about this? Yenzani municipality? Into bayazi ukuhlala bakukhamise lapha beloko bebusy paperwork procedure beloko babiza nama comrade nangalonke babiza ngabo leadership. Hey. Aninze into right guys. Aninze into right. Abantu abosisiphethu abekho safe. Amantombazane barishwa njalo la eOrlando. Bayarishwa njalo. Thola impahla zabo zigcwele lapha sidindizile lapha endaweni. Imizimba yabo they are nowhere to be found. Bayarishwa baze bachame. Dewe barishwa ngakhona. Maze barishwa baze bachame. Like guys. Just imagine. Amajida are hungry. Awasebenzi, unemployment high. Njengoba abantu bangasebenzi obvious bazotshontsha. I-crime izoba high because unemployment high. Yabona, we don't have plans. Dependa ngalama 370 ingenile futhi 370 yami. Congratulations Ramaphosa. Thank you for that. Mara nginenye inkinga enginayo ngibhekisa kini nabantu bema politics. Nifuna nenze into right. Mfana ama street lights lalapha eSoweto Towers. Ama street lights awusebenzi lapha. Cabanga indawo ehamba ama tourists la. Indawo hamba belungu. Acabanga belungu if banga found out ukuthi awekho ama street light lapha and they're investing a lot of money land out operate. Cabanga asikho safe. Sokuthi bazoluza ama investors South Africa. And abakuluza ama investors the country will fall into ruin. Futhi bekaqinisile no thabakathi very soon i-country le iyaphela nya because kuyafana uScripture awasebenzi uzobanja inkunzi abelungu bazosabukuza manje. White people will be scared to come here because the scriptures are not working. Gangsters are all over the place, be shooting people. We are not safe ekasi anymore. We are not safe. Ubanjwa umuntu okhule naye inkunzi. Umuntu ade student uyena okubamba inkunzi manje. Manje ukuthi high speech onto mfethu. Semanje uyinkunzi manje hari saphana sabukuphana. Yazi skela yishi. Mara umuntu mfethu. Insani something government must do something. Ikusana ama street light ke at least. Yabona imali indaba employment inhlulile vele inhlulile. Lungisana ama street light ke eBoomtown eOrlando. Nilungiseni guys ama street light. Wonke awasebenzi wonke awasebenzi. It's been a week manje angasebenzi ama street light. Cela nenze into right guys. Abantwana bekho safe. Omama bakhala. I must invite people manje ukuthi bazokhuluma izikhalazo zabo la YouTube channel yami. Mathola ine equipment nisengozini nina ma municipality nama I'm coming for you. Ndiyazapho. Yebo but asizi ngenduzula siza right sikhuluma kahle no violence sakhulumisa ukuthi why kungenzeki into so guys. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Ngithole more videos, more insight ukuthi kwenzakalani eKasi. Thank you.